Pan fried Chinese style black pepper beef recipe. 1 hour meal recipe. It's awesome, it's delicious, it's full of flavors. My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. We will be using 1 pound of the Angus beef. This is New York strip steak. We will take this delicious steak out from the packet and we'll give it a rinse. This is the 1 pound. Give it a quick rinse. This is our flap. We will cut it from the center just like that. And now make it thin slices. This New York strip steak has a fat edges and this is what we want. Thinly slice it, add it in your marinade bowl. The steak has been thinly sliced. Let's marinate this delicious black pepper beef recipe. Soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of the soy sauce in here. 2 tablespoons of the white distilled vinegar. You can use white wine in there as well without the alcohol. Worcestershire sauce. 2 tablespoons of this is 1 and this is 2. 1/4 tablespoon of the salt. 1/4 tablespoon of the white pepper powder, and black pepper should be 1/2 tablespoon. Add 1 tablespoon of the corn starch. 3 tablespoons of the olive oil. Any oil you prefer. I'm using olive oil. 1, 2 and 3. Pan on the stove and here you go. Put it on high flame. Give it a mix. So this is how it's gonna look after all the marinade black pepper beef. The whole marinated meat goes in the pan on the high flame. So here we will stir fry this beef at least for 10 minutes on the highest flame possible on your stove. Our beef is getting stir fried. Let's make some white rice which goes with the black pepper beef. We will be cooking these rice in our rice cooker. So rice cooker is on. Any rice you prefer. 1 baking cup of the rice. 1 water, we will add 2 cups of it. 1/4 tablespoon of the salt. 2 tablespoons of the oil. 1 and 2. Give it a mix. Close the lid. Put it on cook. Our rice is cooking in the rice cooker. Our beef is getting stir fried. We have 5-6 more minutes for the fry. Let's chop some vegetables, some bell peppers. So specifically use green and the red for it. Just cube it out. A red bell pepper. Very easy, right? We'll take onion. And that's what it is. Easy, simple vegetables which goes with it. Our vegetables are ready. Our beef has been 90% cooked. It's tender at this time. So here you go. Let's add the beef in a separate bowl. Just like that. 3 to 4 garlic cloves. Fine diced garlic goes in here. Some soy sauce. At least I would say 4 tablespoons. 1/2 cup of the water. It's garlic and soy sauce for now. 2 tablespoons of the sugar. This is brown sugar. Spoons of the brown sugar. It goes in here. At least 10 grams of fresh ginger. Same pot with the smoky texture at the base. And now it's on the high flame. We haven't turned the flame down yet. All the peppers goes in here with the onion. Cook this for another 5 to 7 minutes on the high flame. Cover it with the lid. So it will create a steam. It's been 5 minutes since we added the vegetables in here. Our delicious black pepper beef is sitting right here. I have sliced 2 of the fresh green chilies. If you don't want to add green chilies, it's okay. You can add spring onion, green onion in here. The vegetable rawness is gone. Add your stir fried beef, the black pepper beef in here. Look at this texture at this time. Put your stove on to medium flame at this time. Give it a good mix. Here you go. Look at this. I have sliced some green chilies, add it just for the kick. Put your stove on to simmer. It's completely done. Yum. Here you go. First bite, taste test. Oh my god. Black pepper beef. It's been 25 minutes. Our steak, black pepper steak, was on the simmer and it's completely ready. Turn off the stove, take some sesame seeds and sprinkle some sesame seed on it. It has the sweet and tangy flavor. Black pepper beef recipe is completely ready. In 25 minutes, our delicious rice are ready. Look at this. Here you go. Delicious black pepper steak, my friend. We made it under 30 minutes in pan. There you go. You will not go to any Chinese restaurant once you eat this delicious pepper steak, homemade recipe to its best. The moment of truth. Let's do a taste test. I'll just do one bite. I already know how this recipe tastes, so here you go. Rice, here's the delicious pepper steak on top, and here you go. Perfect, easy, simple, delicious black pepper beef. Make this at home. You'll be happy about it. This is so fresh, under 30 minutes of your time with this black pepper beef, man. This is so good. Imagine this bite you're having from the chef. You'll be happy. If you're not happy, I'll give you all the money back. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and bye bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye for now.